Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Learnings. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. We're so happy you're here today.
In this video, we're going to help you learn English faster with a simple, powerful study plan that really works.
Yes, whether you're a beginner or already learning for a while, this lesson will show you how to study smarter, not harder.
Exactly. We'll talk about real tips, practice with short conversations, and teach you useful words and phrases you can use every day.
So grab your notebook, a pen, maybe a cup of tea, and let's train your brain to speak English better and faster.
All right, let's begin. Emily, I've been learning Spanish for a few months, but sometimes I feel stuck.
Oh, I know that feeling. Many English learners feel the same.
Yeah, I want to get better, but I don't know the best way to study.
That's a great topic, Paul. Today we can make a plan, not just for you, but for everyone watching.
Perfect. So what's the first step?
The first step is having clear goals.
Goals?
Yes. Ask yourself, why do you want to learn English? Maybe for travel, for work, or to make friends online.
That makes sense. So if my goal is to speak with people when I travel, I should focus on speaking and listening.
Exactly. When your goal is clear, it's easier to choose what to study. Vocabulary and examples. Let's look at some useful words and phrases you'll need when you study English. One goal. A goal means something you want to achieve. Example 1. My goal is to speak English fluently. Example 2. She set a goal to learn 10 new words every day. 2. Routine. A routine is something you do regularly. Example 1. I have a morning study routine. Example 2. Learning English every day should be part of your routine. 3. Focus. To focus means to give full attention to something. Example 1. I need to focus on listening practice. Example 2. When I study, I turn off my phone so I can focus. 4. Consistent. If you are consistent, you do something regularly without stopping. Example 1. Be consistent. Study a little every day. Example 2. Consistent effort gives big results. 5. Motivation. Motivation means the reason why you want to do something. Example 1. My motivation for learning English is to get a better job. Example 2. Music gives me motivation to study. 6. Practice. To practice means to do something again and again to improve. Example 1. Practice speaking English every day. Example 2. I practice pronunciation in front of the mirror. 7. Improve. To improve means to make something better. Example 1. I want to improve my English vocabulary. Example 2. Emily's pronunciation improved a lot. 8. Confident. If you are confident, you believe in yourself. Example 1. Speaking every day helps me feel confident. Example 2. Confidence grows with practice. 9. Progress. Progress means moving forward or getting better. Example 1. I can see my progress in English. Example 2. Small steps lead to big progress. 10. Fluent. To be fluent means to speak easily and naturally. Example 1. She speaks fluent English. Example 2. You will become fluent if you keep practicing. 1. Creating a study plan. Okay, Paul, let's make your English study plan. How much time can you study every day?
Maybe 30 minutes in the morning and 15 minutes at night.
That's great. Consistency is more important than long hours.
So what should I do in those 30 minutes?
Here's a simple plan. 10 minutes. Listen to an English podcast or YouTube video. 10 minutes. Practice speaking or repeating sentences. 10 minutes. Write 3 sentences about your day.
That sounds easy and realistic.
Yes, and if you keep doing it, you'll see real progress in just a few weeks.
2. Finding motivation. Emily, I don't feel like studying today. I'm tired.
That's okay, Paul. Everyone feels that way sometimes. What helps you feel better?
Maybe music?
Perfect! Listen to English songs. It's still learning, but it feels fun.
Oh, that's smart. I can learn new words from the lyrics.
Exactly. Learning doesn't have to be boring. Find what you enjoy. 3. Talking about progress. Hey, Paul, how's your English practice going?
Really well. I can understand more when I watch English videos now.
That's wonderful. You're improving fast.
Thanks. I think the key was being consistent.
Yes, even small steps every day make a big difference.
Extra practice. Now it's your turn, viewers. Repeat after us.
Enthusiastically. My goal is to learn English.
My goal is to learn English.
I will study a little every day.
I will study a little every day.
I can improve if I keep practicing.
I can improve if I keep practicing.
Great job.
Now, answer this question in the comments. What is your English learning goal for this week?
We'll read your answers and reply to some of them in the next video. Let's review what we learned today.
We talked about how to learn English faster by studying smarter, not harder.
We learned 10 important words like goal, focus, practice, improve, and fluent.
We also made a simple study plan. Listen, speak, and write every day.
And remember, motivation is important, but consistency is the real secret.
Exactly. Keep going, even when it feels difficult. Every small step is progress.
You did amazing today.
Yes. Thank you so much for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
And remember, don't just watch English, speak English every day.
See you next time on Mr. English Learnings.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning and keep smiling.